Listen carefully. This is not the time to feel tired. This is not the time to slow down. This is the time to ignite every ounce of fire inside you. MDCAT is not just an exam, it is your battlefield, and you are the warrior chosen to fight it. And warriors do not complain, warriors do not wait. Warriors rise, prepare, and conquer. Right now, every minute is a weapon. Every second is a chance. Every page of your book is a step closer to victory. The clock is ticking, and you have two choices. Let it crush you or let it push you forward with unstoppable speed. Choose to rise. Choose to fight. Choose to make this your moment. Feel your blood rushing. Feel your heart pounding. This is a sign that you are alive, ready, capable. Do you know what success demands? It demands sweat, it demands effort, it demands discipline. It demands that you push when everyone else is resting, that you work when the world is sleeping, that you believe when others doubt. Think of your parents' faces when you succeed. Think of the pride in their eyes. Think of your future self walking into medical college, head high, heart strong, knowing you made it. That version of you is waiting on the other side of hard work. Do not let him wait too long. Stand up, sharpen your will, and tell yourself, I am stronger than this chapter. I am faster than this test. I am hungrier than this challenge. The more it tries to break you, the more you roar back with power. You are not weak. You are not average. You are extraordinary. And extraordinary people build their destiny with hard work. Enjoy this fight. Enjoy the burn. Enjoy the long hours because they are turning you into the doctor you dreamed to be. Every struggle is energy. Every push is strength. Every sacrifice is fuel. Do not just study attack your books with energy. Crush your doubts with determination and dominate this journey with full force. This is your time. This is your destiny. This is your chance. MDCAT is not bigger than you. You are bigger than it. Look at your notes. Look at your books. Look at the mountain in front of you and shout in your heart, I will climb. I will fight. I will win. Because nothing is stronger than a student with fire in his heart. So rise now. Not tomorrow. Not later now. Grab your pen, grab your notes, and charge into the battlefield. Let your sweat write your story. Let your efforts shake the ground. Let your success be so loud that the world remembers the name of the warrior who never stopped, never slowed, never gave up until victory was his. This is not the end. This is the beginning of your glory. The countdown has begun. The only question left is, are you ready to conquer?